Europe clearly doesn't want the UK to come out. It's the second biggest economy. It provides a lot of benefits. It provides a lot of financial expertise to the EU. But it also, if the UK comes out, it puts an element of doubt of the permanency of EU membership. So they'll be worrying and thinking, what is the next country to come out? I think the response by the EU will be to accelerate their move towards federalism. So I think those members of the euro will get closer, and it might actually drive the political and fiscal union that's needed to have a single currency. And if I just explain what I mean by that, in the UK, we do not count the pounds in and pounds out of our different regions. We suspect there's a bit of a subsidy of the south to the north, and there is at the moment, but historically there's also been a subsidy of the north to the south, so it moves around. But we don't count. We don't say that one part of Britain has a deficit versus another part of Britain. That is because we have a proper single currency. In the Eurozone, you don't have that. We do count. The countries count. Greece is running the deficit and owes the rest of the EU members more money. And so it doesn't work. You've got to get a political and fiscal union for the euro to work. And I suspect if the UK comes out, bearing in mind that we are also a drag on the move towards federalism, the EU will accelerate that process.